Today we've been talking about exploding science. There are lots of different types of explosions like volcanic eruptions or explosive diarrhea. In fact, recently I put something funny in my tummy and I'll let you see what happened next. Today I'm meeting with Dr. Joel at the fresh food markets to try some chilies and find out some of the science behind their explosive flavour. So Dr. Joel, we've got all our chilies here ready to go. I'm a little bit nervous. How are you feeling about it?
Yeah, I admit I'm a little bit nervous. I've got a moderate tolerance for heat. You?
I would say moderate to low, so I might be tearing up at the end of this, but we'll have a go anyway.
Okay.
But wait, your first burning question is probably what makes chilies so hot? It's a molecule called capsaicin that triggers the heat sensors on your tongue to make you think it's hot.
There's little sensors on your tongue that can detect things like sugar and salt, and some of them detect heat. And evolution, some of these plants have evolved a way of pricking your tongue so that if you put that on your tongue, the capsaicin will trigger that heat sensor and make you go, oh, I'm not going to eat this.
Wow, so it's not actually hotter in our mouth, it just feels that way.
Right, it is actually not, it's not hot, it does no damage to your mouth, but it tricks your brain.
The capsaicin is most concentrated in the flesh surrounding the seeds, so we'll go straight for the hot spot. Let's get tasting.
The Serrano chili.
I'll go for some of this flesh near the seed.
All right, take a bite here.
That's good. Okay.
A little bit of heat.
The bird's eye chili.
They're about 10 times hotter than the one we just ate, or could be up to. That's because I think because they're smaller, they have a much higher concentration of this heat chemical, capsaicin, so that makes them a bit scary.
Okay. It's like peppery.
Oh ha. Oh ha ha. So, yeah.
All of a sudden.
Yeah, that's right.
Fun fact, birds aren't affected by chilies. It's a defense mechanism against us. Chilies want to be eaten by birds because birds eat the chilies, take the seeds away and poop them out, providing instant fertilizer for them to grow in. Mammals like us destroy the seeds as we eat and digest them, so they can't germinate. So this red colour is a warning sign to us, but an invitation for a bird. So I feel the heat, or I think I feel the heat right now.
Right.
That's what my tongue is tricking my brain to think
Right.
is happening. But should I just have a glass of water now to make myself feel better?
So, water at best does nothing. At worst, it spreads this chemical all around your mouth. Because capsaicin is a little bit like oil, sort of an oil-based chemical, and so it doesn't dissolve in water.
So water's not the solution, but dairy is. Milk contains fat-loving compound casein. Just like detergent, it clings to oil and grease to wash it away. The casein connects to the oily capsaicin and washes it away.
Habanero chili.
And I think we just have a tiniest nibble so our heads don't explode.
This is very hot going down,
Yeah.
but I'm worried about the other end, you know?
Yeah, I feel you. So, just like chilies make your eyes water and your nose run, they'll affect the inside of your body the same way, and your body tries to push it out as quickly as possible. And so that means that everything that goes in pretty much comes out, including the chilies, and if you've got the other end there, well, you're going to burn there too.
Carolina Reaper.
Well, the Reaper certainly came knocking on my door. The Carolina Reaper boasting 2.2 million on the Scoville scale, which is the spiciness rating scale.
You ready? Hottest chili in the world.
Uh-oh. There it is.
Wow!
So, yeah, today we're talking about explosive science, and I think it's safe to say this has been an explosive experience.
Yeah.
I can't talk,
Should we go to the milk? I think we need to remove some of this capsaicin. Okay, Lee's dying.
You can check out the entire episode and lots of other exploding science at the link below.